What's up, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Project Time Garage, where we're back on that truck sitting right over there. That is the $500 7.3 PowerStroke F2-Hooptie. We have another name for it coming up, but for now, till it's fixed, it's the F2-Hooptie. Today, we're going to do everything on the tailgate of that truck. Pretty much belts, hoses, water pump, alternator, heater hoses, all the little pulleys and idlers and everything that makes squeaky noises in the front. Going to get taken care of today. Hopefully after that we'll kick it down the road again and just, you know, see what it's like. But anyway, without further ado, I'm going to put you up under that hood there and kind of go through what we're doing. Let's go. Now to do this, we're going to start with taking off the jack holder assembly. That's pretty easy, just a few bolts here to get it off. Main reason is, man, this stuff sure is sharp on a person's sternum as they're laying across there. After that, we'll get this reservoir taken off, because believe it or not, this is about the most commonly broke piece on a 7.3, because everybody in the world leans right there. When they lean right there, it breaks it. So we'll do that. That's pretty simple. It's a hose here, hose under the bottom, couple of bolts. It's out of the way. From that point, we'll probably swing over and grab the alternator and the belt, get that out of our way, get the coolant drained out into an approved container, and do the thing. So sit back and enjoy. It's time to pull this fan off here, and the fan has got they got tools you can rent and all that stuff. I've never really done it that way. What I usually do is I just take like a medium-sized pipe wrench and put on the threads, and this is the working end up here. Take a hammer and bash the shit out of it, and usually it'll come loose. We're about to find out. Those feel like they're going to break. Okay, they're not going to break. Good. Got it. It is. Did you write down how it was routed? Oh my God. You know what's going to happen now?
You're going to go over and
You're going to have to look at this right here and now figure it out.
Or go look at mine.
Or go look at mine.
Make it boy hard.
I know. Well, we're well underway to getting the water pump off of her. The fan, that wasn't quite the adventure that I hoped it would be. That's what it came down to. That and that. We fooled with it for the better part of 2 hours. Beating on it, banging on it, trying everything in the world to try to get it off of there, and could not get it. Ultimately, the clutch has seized, so we were going to have a clutch for it anyway. So I'm like, well, why screw around with it anymore? Let's just cut the snout off of it, get the stupid thing apart. Our new clutch will have a brand new nut. So problem solved. Water pump time.
Can you see any more bolts?
Hold on. Where's your?
Did you already get that one out? No, I couldn't. Can't see it. Did it just pull off?
If that's all the bolts, you should be able just to.
It's probably suction. I mean, not suction, but
Stiction.
oh yeah, that ain't coming.
You sure you got all the bolts?
That seal's probably got it stuck on there.
Yep. Okay. Yeah, the seal will be glued on there a little bit.
Well, maybe not. There's one more.
Aha! Good thing we didn't go.
I was fixing to go bonsai on it.
Good thing we didn't. At least they're all coming out and not breaking.
That's another big old bastard bolt. Gotta remember where these big old bolts go.
Well, one thing's for sure, when you go to stick a little bolt in, you'll know.
That should be all the bolts.
Pry bars never have worked for anything. Let me see if I can get behind his nipple.
Behind the nipple?
Yep. That is called a pipe nipple.
How strong is that nipple?
I don't know. I'd find out. Sure you got all the bolts out of this thing?
I think you're gonna have to take it. Oh wait, nope. God damn, oh. Right there behind that bolt there, couldn't even see it.
Should come off easy now. I've already broke the tension.
No,
I broke the tension.
I was first on that. I broke the
You were just standing around when I came in here.
bolts on these things.
Long. Should come off now.
Told you.
At least it didn't go through the radiator.
Oh, Greg, but it's too late to push the bucket up underneath there.
God, Greg. Where were you?
All right. Observing.
Remember what I was saying about taking the hose off for you? Here's a bolt. Stick it back on there and just hang it for a second.
For the first time here in a long time, I get to observe. I'm not the one working on shit.
Yeah, I know. It is.
Oh, get your monkey ass up out of there.
I despise brakes. That's what I hate. Drums.
I despise it all.
Brake lines.
All right. Yeah, I hate drums. Disc brakes don't bother me. Drums piss me off.
And brake lines. I hate brake lines. Worse. I'm going to go ahead and get the alternator off of it too, because that's going to get replaced.
Get rid of the Chinese. Oh, things I hate.
Chris says he's not good with squeezy
I'm not.
connectors.
Ah, screwdriver or pocket knife?
Yeah, I told you it's just a pocket knife.
Yeah. Should be able to just push straight down from the top.
And pull it out.
Oh, that ain't working.
Let's see.
See, I'm not good at those things.
Well, at this point, we got everything off the front of it, all the spinny components. We're going to start the truck, even without a water pump. It's going to be okay. Just calm down. And we're going to drive it from where it's sitting to right there. And we're going to do a little bit of pressure washing because it's filthy under there. So let's do it.
How far are we going out?
We'll just stick the nose out. Wipers are on. It's quiet now. Yeah, we're spraying it down with a pump sprayer full of, I think there's Simple Green in there, or maybe some oil eater in there, some Purple Power, Camel Toe, Hive Newt, Finger of Swan, some more stuff like that. Don't forget your front panel up here. What's that called? Anybody know what it's called?
Front panel?
Closeout panel. Don't know why I know that, but I do. Well, that's what we ended up with right there. Just a little bit of pressure washing. It was a long, long way. I'm sure it didn't do anything for down in the valley. I'm sure it's still gross down in there, but everything else up here, much better. Even did a better job under the hood lip there. Good stuff. Okay, back in it goes. Well, we've got the water pump back on it and cleaned up. All that's back on there. I'll polish that heater core nipple up. Looks pretty darn good. Looks pretty good wash too. I know it didn't really look, you couldn't really tell earlier, but that doesn't look too bad at all. Anyway, moving on. Well, about filled back up with coolant. That was a lot of stuff there. Pretty much heater hoses, alternator, water pump, upper and lower radiator hoses. Flushed it about 17,500 frickin' times. That's what the coolant looked like it came out of it after all those flushes. We gave it a good pressure wash, a little bit of love, a little bit of understanding, and we're moving along with it fast. Next up on the chopping block is probably going to be a set of injectors. So stay tuned for that. Guys, I appreciate you watching. As usual, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, tell all your friends about us. And guys, I'll see you next time.